Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RC cars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Lamborghini remote control car by Luxos RC. This officially licensed model brings the elegance of the Lamborghini Huracan STO into the palm of your hand. With its sleek 1:18 scale design and functional headlights, this RC car is a great option for kids aged 4 to 7, or even older enthusiasts who appreciate supercar replicas. The attention to detail in the design really stands out, making it a visual treat. Performance-wise, this RC car offers adjustable speed settings ranging from 1 to 15 kilometers per hour, allowing younger kids to enjoy a slower, safer pace, while older users can push it faster for racing fun. The 2.4 GHz remote provides a wide control range of up to 200 feet without interference, which is perfect for multiplayer sessions. The rechargeable battery delivers up to 50 minutes of runtime, ensuring plenty of uninterrupted playtime. The ABS plastic body is sturdy and impact-resistant, making this car durable for both indoor and outdoor use. The Lamborghini RC car is a great entry-level option for kids and casual users, but it lacks the high-speed thrills and off-road capabilities of some of the other cars on this list. If you're looking for an affordable, stylish, and easy-to-use RC car, this one's hard to beat. Pros include its licensed design, adjustable speed, and decent runtime, while cons are its limited top speed and lack of advanced features for serious enthusiasts. Coming in at rank number 4 is the budget-friendly Blue Jay remote control car. This 1/12 scale monster truck combines affordability with solid performance, making it perfect for beginners or casual users. Thanks to its RC380 motor, it achieves speeds of up to 33 kilometers per hour, which is impressive for a car in this price range. The 2.4 GHz remote ensures responsive control over a range of 50 meters, and the LED headlights and chassis lights add a fun touch for nighttime driving. The design of the Blue Jay RC car is surprisingly durable for its price point, with an ABS plastic chassis and aluminum alloy body that offer good impact resistance. It comes with 2 rechargeable Li-ion batteries, providing up to 70 minutes of runtime. This extended playtime is a standout feature for a budget RC car, offering plenty of uninterrupted fun. It performs well on flat surfaces and light off-road terrain, making it versatile for kids and adults alike. While the Blue Jay is an excellent value option, it lacks the advanced features and extreme speeds seen in higher-end models. Pros include its affordability, solid speed, and impressive runtime, while cons are its limited control range and modest off-road capabilities compared to pricier alternatives. At rank number 3 is the Highboxing 1:18 scale all-terrain RC car. This model delivers incredible value for its price, with a top speed of 36 kilometers per hour, powered by a brushed RC380 motor. Its 4-wheel drivetrain, independent suspension system, and waterproof electronics allow it to tackle grass, gravel roads, and concrete with ease. The inclusion of 2 LiPo batteries ensures up to 40 minutes of runtime, making it a reliable choice for extended sessions. The Highboxing RC car's build quality is hobby-grade, featuring durable ball bearings, solid gear differentials, and knobby, off-road tires. The PVC truck body is flexible yet sturdy, designed to handle minor collisions without damage. The 2.4 GHz remote offers a control range of up to 280 feet, which is excellent for outdoor use. It arrives 99% ready to run, meaning you can hit the ground running with minimal setup. This model is ideal for users who want an affordable yet capable off-road RC car. Pros include its robust construction, waterproofing, and solid speed, while cons are its slightly lower runtime compared to more premium options and its brushed motor, which doesn't offer the same efficiency as brushless alternatives. Taking the number 2 spot is the Hyperg H16BM 116 RTR brushless RC car. This beast of an RC truck combines raw speed and durability, making it a fantastic choice for serious RC enthusiasts. Powered by a brushless 2845 4200 kV motor and a 45A ESC, it can hit speeds of up to 42 miles per hour with 3S LiPo batteries installed. The metal gears and ball bearings ensure efficient power distribution, while the honeycomb chassis and reinforced zinc sheets provide excellent impact resistance. The Hyperg H16BM is designed for rugged terrains, featuring pre-mounted sponge-inserted tires and oil-filled shock absorbers that minimize vibration. Whether you're tackling grass, dirt, or gravel, this truck performs with precision and stability. 2 LiPo batteries are included, so you can enjoy extended playtime and switch to 3S-compatible batteries for higher speeds. The 2.4 GHz transmitter offers a range of over 300 feet, and its beginner-friendly throttle limiter allows new users to ease into the car's extreme performance. While it comes at a higher price point, this RC car offers excellent value for advanced users who want speed, durability, and upgrade potential. Pros include its brushless motor, rugged build, and high top speed, while cons are the premium price and slightly heavier weight compared to smaller models. And finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Hyperg H14BM V3 brushless RC car. This premium model is built for extreme speed and performance, reaching a top speed of 50 mph with a 3S battery. Its upgraded steel differential, aluminum alloy chassis, and heavy-duty drivetrain ensure unmatched durability and responsiveness. The adjustable oil-filled shocks and airless paddle tires make this car perfect for conquering any terrain, from gravel and dirt to snow and sand. The Hyperg H14BM V3 is truly a speed monster. Equipped with a 2852 4400 kV brushless motor and a 45A ESC. Its 2.4 GHz transmitter features a 300-plus foot range, throttle limiters for beginners, and advanced trim functions for precise control. The RTR design means it's ready out of the box, and the factory speed lock can be toggled to unleash its full potential. Whether you're popping wheelies, performing jumps, or racing at high speeds, this RC car delivers an adrenaline-pumping experience. While it's the most expensive model on the list, the Hyperg H14BM V3 is worth every penny for enthusiasts who crave speed, durability, and versatility. Pros include its extreme performance, rugged build, and all-terrain capabilities, while cons are the premium price tag and slightly shorter runtime with higher speeds. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.